Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to screen record your iPhone. So first of all, go to settings, then scroll down and go to control center, then scroll down and click plus on screen record. Perfect. Then come back and out and you will see the icon of screen record here. Click on it and the record starts after 3 seconds. Great. Now the record is starting and now you can record anything you want. Then if you want to stop record, click here and click stop. Perfect. Automatically the recording save into photos. Go to photos and you will see your record here. So thank you so much for watching me. See you to the next video.